Lesson 2, basic identifying and reading of a chart. So that way, when a chart is brought up in front of you, you're not confused on what you're looking at. Okay? So in lesson 1, we did a basic identification on what it is we're looking at. Is this Forex? Is this a stock? Is this futures? And so one thing we need to first look at is the left side. US dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, so we know that this is Forex. Let's look at one more. First thing we want to look at, left side, Google. Okay, we know what Google is. We know that Google is a company. That's a stock. So we know now we're out of the Forex market. So what does that mean? So now when it goes up, that means Google itself as a company is going up. And when it's going down, that means Google itself as a company is losing value and it is going down. So that is simple identifying. And now basic reading is you always want to have a 1, 2, 3 step. So that way, no matter what is in front of you, you know how to, okay, I got my quick assessment. All right, go ahead and talk whatever it is that you want to say. 1, identify. What's the name of whatever it is that we're looking at? Okay, so we know that this is Google, we're in a stock. Number 2, where is the price? So these numbers right here represents the price that it is at or was at or could possibly be reaching towards. So currently Google is at $163, basically $164. And that's number 2. All right, boom. We know we're in Google. This is a stock. Where's the price at right now? All right, boom, at 163. How is it currently moving right now? And when we just look at just a few months, almost 1 year and a half actually, we see, okay, it's up and down. 4, but how is it moving in a period of 5 years, 7 years? So now that we pull out, crunch it down some. Now that we pull out, if we look at this bottom area right here, we can see how the time is changing. You see, now we're in 24, now we're in 2023, now we're in 2022. You see, so now we can see. So let's go back 5 years. Okay, that's pretty much right on the money right here. Because today is March 21st, 2025. So, and this is March 19th, 2020. So we see it was all the way, Google's stock was $51. So if you would have put in around this time 5 years ago and just let it sit, you would have been up over 110 worth of stock of Google. And whatever money you would have put in, you would have had a good profit. So that is basic reading. What are we looking at? Where's the current price? How's it been moving the past, little while? How's it moving currently? And then what's it been doing overall? And we can see overall the past 5 years, 7, even more. We see that Google has been going up constantly. It is in a up trend. So that means if you were to place your money in on Google, it would be a safer bet for you to place your money in for a buy and let it just sit over time and grow. That is basic reading and simple identification itself. So that way when any chart is coming in front of you, you know what to look at and it doesn't look so confusing.